Pakinggan natin.
O, sige nga.
Yung usapan nila Senador Win Gatchalian at Secretary John Vic Remulla tungkol dito sa issue na ito.
Yan.
Another item, General, is the intelligence funds. No, if there's one department that we want to support with intelligence fund, that's PNP. No, because you need that to gather intelligence, counterintelligence, and we want to make sure that you're equipped in terms of information. But nakita ko rin bumaba siya in 2025, 1.3 billion. But in 2026, 800 million. No? How will this affect your intelligence gathering and also counterintelligence activities?
Sir, if I may answer.
Yes.
The 500 million that is additional to that was an insertion which we turned over to the office of the president. We didn't use that 500 million. So that is the grand total. But as according to we only followed what is according to the GA and not the NEP and not the GA. What was put additional was we found no use for it and we returned it to the office of the president.
Okay, but in for 2026, the 806 million is enough for your operations? The request of PNP actually is 210 billion, but on the grant is 806.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Alam namin, importante intelligence sa PNP, no? Your enforcers, mga
Yes.
enforcers natin.
That's correct, Your Honor. If we're going to have a per capita dito sa ating intelligence fund to be utilized, ay 150 pesos per month per person po ang ating per capita. And kung titignan natin, that 150 pesos per capita intelligence fund ay hindi kukulang. So that's why kung titignan natin ang ating funds, that is 84% is the PS and MOE is about 14% and the capital outlay is 2% or 3%. Yung ideal po dun sana ay yung PS corresponds to or at par with the MOE. So say 84% must keep maging 20% man lang sana ang aming MOE, and that would be an ideal one, Mr. Chairman, sir.
But itong 806 million on intelligence fund, sapat na ito sa operations inyo for 2026?
Yan po ang pinagkakasya ng Philippine National Police, Your Honor, Mr. Chairman,
Okay,
sir.
alright. Because nasabi ni Secretary yung excess na 500 was actually unutilized, no? So, hindi na-
Yes, sir. We returned it because it was an insertion in the budget. And the insertion came from the person who requested 3,000 containers of fish. So
why will they insert intelligence funds?
it beats me, sir. We didn't ask for it, so I returned it.
Yun.
Ayun.
Oh. Ay, naintindihan ko na.
Oo.
Noong 2025, hindi. Kailan ba ito? Tama, ngayong taon na ito.
Oo.
Ngayong tumatakbong taon.
Itong budget natin sa kasalukuyang taon.
Kasi
oh.
pinag-uusapan dito yung for next year.
Yes,
diba?
yung 2026 na
Noong
dapat.
2025, ang inilagay na intelligence fund sa PNP ay 1.3 billion.
Okay.
500 million doon ay ipinasok lang. Kasi nagtataka sila, saan natin gagamitin ito? Wala naman na tayong in-itemize.
Oho. So dinagdagan sa halip na parang 800 plus lang
O
no?
800 dapat
800
plus
billion
5, naging 1.3.
Yan, oho.
Kaya ngayong 2026, ang hinihingi na lang nila ay yung 800 million.
Ayun.
Yung walang dagdag.
Oho.
Kasi nga, nung nakaraang, itong taon na ito, may sobrang 500
Meron
million.
pang natitira.
Oo, na hindi naman nila hinigi. At in-insert nga lang daw.
Oho.